Volvo said they'd be entering an estate, but they don't think it's funny anymore. Oh, look at this! And this is fierce! And down to 5th position because Jan Lammers has gone past in the Volvo estate. Fantastic! Volvo ahead, room for 7 inside, and it leads the Toyota.
Ricard Rydell was third fastest.
We're with Jan Lammers now, 4th position, and TWR boss Tom Walkinshaw is here, and it's his men who made the Volvo 850 fly, and Jan Lammers, of course.